Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'll be talking to you about the Caddy Mk1 rear load bed repair panel. The Caddy Mk1 first rolled off the production line in the early 1980s, and this vehicle was built for commercial use. It's probably done its fair share of lugging building materials or farm animals around, which has left the load bed a little worse for wear. This top quality repair panel is made by Forced and uses the original pressing, so it will match the existing floor. It measures 225mm by 1050mm. It's made of 1.3mm thick steel and can be welded in as a whole panel or cut up to make smaller repairs on the load bed. There is also a larger repair panel available if your load bed requires a little bit more TLC. For further information on this Caddy Mk1 rear load bed repair panel, please see our website for details.